Hi, my name is Shalia Williams. I am a University Recruiting Manager here at Veeam, supporting our U.S. region. Veeam has an amazing culture where all employees feel empowered to bring their true selves to work. Even as an intern, you are welcomed in and embraced. All of our employees have an open door for any conversations and a willingness to help them grow to their career.
I am Shelby O'Mara, and I am a University Relations Specialist. University Relations hosts a 10-week internship program at Veeam. In the first 2 weeks, students are fully immersed in sales acceleration training to be set up for success in their role. After the first 2 weeks of the internship program, interns become fully incorporated into the University Relations structured program. That includes guest speakers, personal brand learning, collaboration improv, social media, and hearing from recent grads or past interns about their time from internship to full-time employment. Interns have the opportunity to shadow full-time employees so that they become comfortable in the role that they have to do.
I found out about Veeam through one of my school's programs where they had companies come in, and I was sold on Veeam because of the authenticity. The people there spoke so highly about Veeam, about the collaborative culture, and I couldn't look away. I was so attracted to Veeam.
So my virtual intern experience here has been very positive. Despite being online, we still are very interactive. Turn your camera on, let's present, let's get to know one another. And everyone has treated us with such an open arms atmosphere that is amazing, and I love it here.
Being in the office was really rewarding, and you're able to have those physical connections with people, and that's really valuable compared to just being on Zoom all the time. Meeting with the employee resource groups such as AHIT and Women in Green, we really got to see how Veeam cares about its employees and how much value they put into those employee resource groups.
All of this is exciting because interns can feel super encouraged about their opportunities to grow and excel here at Veeam.